make beautiful juice. It's a fruit. Olive oil is a fruit. Fresh fruits make the difference. You see the huge body that exists for so many years. And maybe you ask how those olive trees stay alive. You see so many wrinkles like an old man, like an old lady.
On the face.
So what we are doing, we want the fresh branches come up. We want the young children. So what we are doing, cutting. You see the cutting here. And we force the tree, give us the new branches. You see the skin is tender. It's not wrinkles like old people. It's young, tender skin and gives you fresh branches and fresh leaves. And up here also, we have cut it. So we force the new branches come up with their tender skin. Wherever you see the old bodies. We want the old variety. We don't want to lose the old variety. For us, it's very important that those trees stay alive. But we want to force them, to give them a second opportunity, to give again leaves, branches, and their olive juice for us.